or go home. 30 minutes solve or go home. All right, let's see what we got today.
Wait, wait.
Why are you
Are you
still?
actually streaming?
No, yeah, I'm streaming. Why are you watching the old video, man?
Oh, I don't see anything.
No, no, check it again. Check it again.
Oh, yes.
Did you see it now? Oh, you were just watching the restream. That's why. I didn't start. I didn't start yet.
Because you're still offline.
No, I should be streaming right now. Check it again. Oh, it's this one. Oh my god, I kind
You already
of
solved it?
I
Very
kind
good.
of did it in the past, but then I don't remember, and I definitely didn't do backtracking for this one. I think this is a backtracking problem, right?
It says you're offline, dude.
No, it says I'm online. You sure?
Oh no, now it says live.
Yeah, dude. All right,
Oh, now it says live. Yeah, dude.
all right. So yeah, I solved this before without backtracking. So I guess I could learn backtracking, but I don't really know how to do it. I don't know how to backtrack.
Oh, you probably don't remember it, so just might as well just do it anyway. Don't
Alright.
look up anything.
Alright, then I probably don't know how to do it. Given a string, true to not inclusive, return all the possible letter combinations that the letter could represent. Return the answer in any order. Okay, yeah, so 2, 3. Yeah, so if it's 2 and 3 on the phone, then you have those 3 and those 3. A, B, C, and D, E, F. You can build all the combinations, okay? And then, yeah, 2 is just, yeah, okay. So, yeah, you can definitely just solve this with a standard BFS, too. Without backtracking, I believe. I've not done this with BFS, so maybe I just do it with BFS this time. Who's spamming? Is that Willan? Okay, so if I do this with BFS, okay, so basically I need to okay, so I will store into the stack the current digit, and then I would pop it and then fill it in the rest of the other digits that are not of a different number. Because then wait, you can't do A and B, right? Because A and B, yeah, it has to be one letter from this and one letter from another, right? Yeah, okay, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so yeah, so I put all the current combinations of the current number into a stack, and then I pop it, and then I fill in every other number into it, and then I put that in. I keep storing into the stack and just keep popping until it gets every combination. Okay, I think that works. So, all right. So for implementation, let's see. Let's just do a simple one. So yeah. So ABC. Let's just do 2 first. ABC. So while stack one stack greater than, I believe greater than 0. Alright, so stack equals, I guess Alan, you like calling it frontier, right? So I just call it frontier.
Oh, you can call it that.
Whatever.
Well, it's not a stack, it's the queue, I guess.
Is it a queue? I thought it was more of a stack for BFS. Is it a queue?
No, you process stuff as it goes.
Oh, that is, yeah.
It's an array.
Yeah, whatever. Okay. So you want to store in. You start off with the first digits. Okay. So we need a dictionary first to handle number to letters. Okay, so number dict. This. How do you insert into a dictionary straight up? Can you just do like 1, 2, 3? Like that? Does that set as that key and value? Does that work or no?
No, you need a colon.
Oh, it's colons. So you just do that. Well, it's not you. It's wrong. It's 1 is to ABC. But yeah, like, is this syntactically correct? Can you just do it like this?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
It's not one, by the way, it's two. One doesn't have anything.
What are you talking about? Oh, one is the eyeglass sign. You're right. Okay. So the 3 is defcom 4. Alright. Wait, did I even start? I did start. Wait, how is it only 40 seconds left? There's no way to. Oh, did I put like 3 minutes or some shit? Oh, I did 5 minutes. Okay, so I have 25 minutes left. Shit. Alright. 4 is. What is 4? 4 is GHI. 5 is JKL. Six, what is 6? 6 is MNO. Seven PQ. Oh wow, this one has 4. Okay, PQRS. Okay, and then 8 is. Wow, coding this dictionary is taking mad times. TUV. Okay, and then 9 is the last set, XYZ. There's XYZ right here. Yeah. Oh no, there's W too. Oops. Can't forget about W. Alright, I'm just gonna print it to make sure it's working. And then I will comment this out because it will just error out. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, it looks good. Alright, we're good. We're good to go. Alright, so frontier would be, okay, so we have a string. So I think we just, the string is the digits. Okay, so we want to, we pop in all of it, or just the first one? I think it is all of it. Okay, so frontier is, okay. Frontier should be 2 and 3. What is this? Digits 2 and 3. So I have to separate it. So I have to loop through it. Oh wait, no, I don't. We're building the letter combos, so maybe instead of appending the numbers, we just append the string. Wait, no, that wouldn't work. We append the strings. Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, so if it's 2, alright, so in this case 2, if we just pop in 2, and then while there's stuff in the frontier, we pop it out, and then we build every iteration. Well, we build all the iterations of it. Okay, so we need an output first. Res equals this, and then we're just appending to that res for each letter in the pop thing. So like in this case, if it in the original use case of 2, so if we, all right, I'm just gonna let's do 2 for now. So then it would just be frontier, just straight up just S. Okay, so while left frontier is greater than 0, element goes frontier dot pop 0. Then and then for I in res, no, and then element array r equals numdict, number date, Ella. Okay, and then for I in R, Ella, then res append I. You want to start a new array of it. Okay. So if that is the case, so yeah, this definitely works for the 2 scenario, I believe. Now I'll have to, how do I expand it to the next case? This is not defined. What is it called? A string. What is wrong with this? Yeah, what's wrong with this? Oh, because it's a string and it's 2. So just make these all strings. Or I could just cast it to int, but whatever, this is probably easier. Why is this so spread out now? Just pop this down. The cleaner. Alright, cool. Is this still wrong? String number. No, what's wrong with this? R equals number. What's wrong with that?
You have an issue on line 11.
Who told you? You told me? Oh, it's called digits. Oh my god, no wonder. Oops. Alright, yeah. Okay, so this works in the 2 case. So if I do 2, 3, I need to handle this. Okay, so in this scenario, if I am popping, so in this case, I would need to add the 3 to the frontier as well, but digits. Okay, so maybe to handle this, if I do that, then I do just. How do I handle that? Do I separate it and initialize it? So if I put 2 and 3 into the frontier, if I pop 2 and I build an array of all the elements, so I have A, B, C, okay, and then I pop 3 gets me D, F, so I put D into the A, D into the B, D into the C, and then that's just 6. That's not enough. I still need to build the B. So it needs to build their own arrays first here too, and then I still have to get all of these in there. So that's a problem. So how do I handle?
So what you can do is you can kind of keep track of you're done, right?
My what?
So how do you know when you're done?
How do I know when I'm done? Well, when the frontier is done, when there's no more stuff in the frontier, right?
Sure, that's one way to know. But the other way is, let's say your digits is empty, right?
Yeah.
And what would you add to each thing? Nothing, right?
You add empty string, yeah.
You wouldn't even add an empty string.
Or you
okay.
Okay, yeah, but digits currently is in this case is 2, 3, right? So you only have 2 digits.
Right. So what if you processed current digit? So if the current digit is 2, you would add ABC, right?
Yeah.
Then you know that the remaining digits is 3.
Remaining digits is 3. Yeah. Okay.
So then you would basically be adding to your frontier A comma 3, B comma 3, and C comma 3, right?
8 comma 3. Why would you add 8 comma 3?
Then you know remaining digits is you know non-zero, right?
Wait, so you're making like a tuple kind of thing?
So your thing could be a tuple, right? And then when you reach the condition where you have no more digits to process, you know that this is a valid expanded combination, right?
Sure.
And then you add that to res.
Okay. Or wait, what if you just build all the single arrays from the start and then loop through it? Does that work?
I don't know what you mean.
So like if I loop through frontier 2 and 3, make A B C D E F, and then come in here and then handle the rest, does that work?
Would that work?
Hmm?
Would that work?
I don't know. I'm thinking it might work, but it might not work. Um. Hmm.
So my suggestion here is instead of storing one thing in the frontier, you should store a tuple.
Yeah. Okay. So you're saying like. Okay. So like in the 2 case, it would be like 2 and then, well, none because there's nothing else in 2, right? So it'd be done.
It won't be none. It'll be the empty string.
Like that, right?
Wait, sorry, what?
So I'm
It'll be,
saying
it'll, no.
I'm saying in the 2 scenario where digits just straight up 2, this one. So if would you just be storing just this into the frontier?
Yeah, sure.
And then if it was 2 3, then you would be storing 2 and 3 because you have 3 left.
No. That's not right.
Okay, then I'm not sure what you're
But at
saying.
each step, you're storing what you have so far and what is left.
What you have is left. Wait, say that again.
You should store two things. One is what you have so far and what you have left to process.
Yeah, so you have. So currently, well, in the frontier when you're building it, you have nothing processed yet, right? You didn't.
Yeah, so you just store empty string and then digits.
Oh, you mean like this?
Or just literally past digits, sure.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. And then while you. Okay, so.
But then when you pop from here, you have current string and then digits, right?
Yeah, so you have the tuple, yeah, and then you're just appending. Okay, okay,
So
let's say you pop this. You have the digits. It's 2 and 3, so you're gonna append all the combinations of the digits into the empty string, and then
you're
you're gonna
gonna
make.
append the first. You're gonna append the first digit.
Yeah, yeah. Wait. Yes? No? Wait. All right. So in this case, it's instead of it's just for show. So this is 2 3, right? So you come into here, you pop it. What you've popped is a tuple. So you have index 0 is an empty string, index 1 is 2 and 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then you're gonna loop through the string, and then you're gonna.
You don't. No. You're not gonna loop through the string. You're gonna take the first digit of that string.
Okay, so it's 2, and then you just get A, B, and C, and then you're gonna.
Okay. Because so you know that any valid expansion has to start with A, B, or C.
Okay. So then, then you build the 3 arrays A, B, and C, and then what do you?
Okay.
And then you're storing back into the frontier.
But you haven't processed yet, which in this case is 3.
Yeah, you pass back in. So wait, so you're passing? Are you passing back in, like 3 and then empty?
You can do it, James. I believe in you.
Oh no, Ken's here. I've actually solved this before, but not this way, and I forgot how to solve it.
Oh,
I know I kind of know the algorithm. I just don't remember exactly how to code it up.
I mean, you should just do. You don't have to do the most optimal solution first.
Yeah, but you don't want to do brute force for this. That's bad.
I mean, you could get the brute force first and then solve it down from there. I don't know. That's my opinion on it. So, but good luck.
All right, thanks.
You'll be fine. I'm sure you can get it. All right, I'm
Just
gonna
make
hop
sure
back.
you're matching conditions. Where the first element is what you have so far, and the second element is what you have in the process yet.
Yeah, so you're not storing 3 back in then. You're storing
No, 3 is in the second position.
yeah, because 3. Okay, so it's the string with the removed front, and then you still have is whatever arrays you built currently, right? So is the result.
Oh, so no, it will be whatever you expanded, which is A, or B, or C.
What do you mean whatever you expanded?
So you're processing 2 at the beginning.
Yeah,
So what is in the dictionary for 2?
2 is ABC.
Right. So then you would store A, comma 3, B, comma 3, and C, comma 3.
So you're storing 3 tuples?
You're appending to the frontier.
Oh, okay, I see. So, oh, okay. Okay, I kind of see what you're saying. So basically, all right. So when your frontier currently is empty and you have 2, 3. So you come in here, you pop it out, then you take the first digit of the string, you loop through every like alphabetical character it has. You build the tuples and you store all of them back into frontier with the remaining string for all of them. And then you just keep doing that till your string is
Right.
empty. But does that handle the case where 3 is like when do you build the 3 starting ones?
No, then you pop it again, and then you add, the 3 expansion to this guy, right? So let's say you're processing A, comma 3 as
Yeah.
the popped element. Right? So then what's in this in 3? It's D, E, F, right?
Yeah.
So now you have A, D
Mm-hmm.
with nothing as element to add to frontier. Then A, E is nothing. F has nothing, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you have AB, no, you have AD, AE, and AF, and that's all you have.
Hmm?
Then when do you start building the DAs and stuff like that?
There is no DA.
There's
Why
no
would there
DA?
be a DA?
Oh, it's unique combinations.
No, it's processed in order,
Wait,
not unique.
oh, literally that's it? It doesn't care. You don't have to go backwards. You don't have to go do DA, DB, DC.
It's like you're spelling something on a phone. Like if you type it in a certain order, it has to be in that order.
Oh, it's forcibly in that order. Okay, so you don't have to deal with that. Okay, so what you're saying. So, wait, then why did I have to do it your tuple way?
Why do you do it the other way?
Does my way work? If I did a. Okay, so the one I had was you pop it, you build it, and then say 3 was next. And you just store the 3 digits into each of these, but then you don't have A, B, and C. You don't have 3. You don't have 3 times A, so you need to build it 3 times. But this algorithm doesn't handle that. But I think yours does because you're popping it back in. Wait, unless I pop the A, B, and C back in. Element equals frontier dot pop. So you have the array of all these, and then for I and R, let's append I. That's A, B, and C. But then we need 3xa. We need three A's, and this doesn't do that. Oh, so it's supposed to be a double for loop. I think that's what handles it.
Wait, what?
So if I do, what if I just do this for I in range len a, oh not len a, len r, and then do this, then I'll have 3 A's, 3 B's, and 3 C's, and then I can just fill in the rest afterwards, and it should be fine, right?
Well, I don't actually follow because you're using the same variable for both things.
Yeah, that's yeah, definitely don't do that.
I also don't understand what you're trying to do.
Wait, hold on. I think this works. Give me a sec. Let me test this real quick. Okay, so instead of this, for J and R, where's that append to J? What was J? J was, okay, J was all those, okay. Yeah, I don't, okay, maybe this doesn't work. This is similar to the working algorithm I believe I had in the past though. I just don't remember. Okay, fine, I'll just do it your way then. Okay, so
You can do if you want element 1 and element 2, you can say, you know,
yeah, it's
current string,
it's just zero, right?
current digit.
Wait, what are you saying?
No, you can give two things in the left side and it will get both of them.
Two things on the left side? I have no idea what you're talking about.
You say A comma B equals frontier.pop 0, you'll get A is the empty string and B is the digits.
Oh, so you mean like if I do this? You talking about that?
Or you can call it something more meaningful than
Yeah, but are you basically saying that?
that. Yes.
Okay. So we'll call it I don't know, just res and then remaining digits. Digit, I guess, whatever. And then okay, so we have the tuples here. So in this case, result is empty string and digit is wait, when you pop 0, okay, that's the full string. So we have 2 and 3 at this point. So we need to pull the first one. So cur digit equals digit 0. Okay, and then try in R create new tuple. So so I and R, so we want to create, oh, these are strings. Okay, so this I is the first letter, so in this case it'll be A, so we're just doing plus equals I. Or you could just do straight up I. Wait, no, but then if we're yeah, we want plus equals, I think. So wait. No, so Oh no, we have access to it. It's res. It's res. Res plus equals I, and then it's. Oh, I guess we should just pop. We should pop it out.
I don't think you should do res plus equals. Otherwise, you have to redefine it every time. You should do res plus I.
Wait, does that work? Oh, you're just storing it. Yeah, that's fine. So digit. This one we should pop it. So we. So digit.
No,
digits.
there's no pop. It's a string.
It's you can't pop from string.
Choosing a different method. So
Yeah. Whatever.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah. So this one's.
But,
So
no,
you-
digits of zero is correct.
So you can't pop 0, but then you do
Digits of zero is correct.
Yeah, but then we want the rest of the string to store back in,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
That's
So
digit 1:.
one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's fine. So digit equals. Right?
Whoa, what?
Well, that's the rest of it, right? All right.
Yeah, what? First of all, you're calling current digits, which is not defined anymore. So you should fix that first.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to figure out the syntax so that when you pop, well, you can't pop it, but like when you use it already, you gotta. We want to pass in the rest of. Oh, okay. So you're saying just here straight up.
You don't have to do anything. You just change it in line 20.
Like that.
Oh no.
No, it's digit. Does that get the rest of it?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, and then pop it back to the frontier.
Okay. So there's a slight problem here.
Yeah, I'm trying to render it. Alright, so if we pop 2 to start, res is empty, digits is digit is 2 3. Okay, that's fine. Current digit is 2. Array is the 2, so it's ABC. This is array of ABC for I and R. So loop through ABC. Tuple is res plus I. So empty string plus I is A. And then pass back in this, which is 3. Appended. Okay, so that one appends to the frontier as A and 3. And then the next one pops in B and 3. The last one is C and 3. And then when I come back here, length is greater than 1, so it pops out the next one. Res is A at this point. Digit is still 3. Current digit is 3. Hold on, this is DEF for I and R tuple. So A plus D, and then pass an empty and put that back in. So, well, you put it back in, but it's probably gonna be done. So maybe don't put it back in if it's done. If digits.
I would handle it somewhere else.
Where would you handle it?
It's okay to put it back in empty string, but you should check if the digit is length of digit is greater than 0.
Yeah, that's fine.
What happens if it's not greater than 0?
It doesn't do anything. It just because it popped
Oh,
up.
that means you have no more digits to process, so you should add it to res.
Oh, right. You're right. Wait.
Now you have two things named res, so
Yeah,
you should change them.
yeah. That was not supposed to be called res. This one is. What is it? Char string, whatever. I don't know. Let's call it letters.
Other potential issue: what happens if you start with an empty string?
What do you mean?
What if digits is nothing at the beginning?
Then you're done.
It would return empty string, right?
Yeah.
So you have to handle that.
Wait, isn't that handled? Letters is empty, right? Because this is empty.
The letters is not empty. It's gonna be empty string.
It's gonna be what? Oh, you mean it's supposed to pass empty array?
Right.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay. So letters pop. If it is this, blah blah blah, else that. Okay, so don't append if it's empty, basically.
If the final letters has no length, right? Then you cannot append it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
But this, I don't. Does this handle all the cases? Let me see. So, if you come back in with a, so you did this. That's the first loop. You come back in. You currently have 3 tuples in here. A with 3, B with 3, and C with 3. And then pop it out again. So current letter is A. Digit is 3. Yeah, current digit is 3. R equals this, so 3 would be D, E, F. Okay, so for I and R, letters at this, letters is A, right? Oh yeah, letters is A, so it's gonna loop it through R, letters plus that, letters plus that, letters plus that. So it's gonna do A, D, A, E, and A, F. That looks like it's right. Yeah, that does look like it's right. Yeah, that should work. Okay, let's try empty string and try a bigger one after. Oh, no diff. Okay, then I think this is good. Alright, cool.
Nice. So, yeah, I think the key point here is if you're using BFS with stuff like this, you can. It doesn't have to be one element. You can add anything inside that tuple, as long as you want to keep track of it.
Yeah.
One other optimization here is that you're doing pop 0
Yeah.
from an array. If you pop the 0th one, you have to reorder everything, right? So
yeah, so you can use that Python data structure that has
so it's called a double index.
I think it's DQ or something.
DQ.
Yeah, DQ. Yeah, I remember that one. Yeah.
Instead of pop 0, you can pop left.
Yeah, pop left. Yeah. I remember that one. Is that all you need to change for it? Oh, you have to append left or something, or append right?
Append is fine. Append is fine.
Oh, append works. Let's see. Let's see if this one works. All right, cool. Yeah, this one is way faster than standard Python array. I remember that one. Okay. You said you solved it 3 ways, right?
Oh yeah, you can use DFS as well. You can use.
Oh yeah, I still don't have good grasp of DFS, but yeah.
It's very much the same.
All right, and then what was the other one? Brute force.
Yeah.
Brute force is super slow, right?
I mean, you're allocating new data and overriding the original. It's just a less optimized version of DFS,
Oh, okay.
which is fine.
Yeah, so let me see my old solution. I forget. I'm pretty sure it was a double loop to solve it. Yeah, it was a long time ago. Oh yeah, it was just this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just
I believe it's
initialize
fine.
empty arrays, and then it was a double loop, and you loop through the return, and then you just append everything to it.
Yeah, that's the brute force of it. It's fine.
Oh,
It
this is
works.
brute force? Oh, I didn't even realize. Okay, yeah. Alright, cool. Anything else?
That's pretty much it. If you're interested in the DFS one, I can Slack you that.
Yeah, sure, yeah. I'll take a look. Thanks. Alright, is that it? Alright, thanks. Bye.
Yep.
See ya.